Welcome to Allure. Your heart communicates with you when it's not doing well. This vital organ, always at work, sometimes sends subtle signals when it's under duress. Heart disease, a leading cause of death worldwide, often creeps in unnoticed. It's crucial to keep a vigilant eye on our health and recognize the early warning signs our bodies might be signaling. Understanding these signs can be the difference between a regular checkup and a medical emergency. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 10 warning signs of heart disease. Identifying heart disease early can make a world of difference. Let's begin with the first sign. Chest discomfort is often one of the most common warning signs of heart disease. It's not always a sharp pain, but more a feeling of pressure, squeezing, or fullness in the chest. This discomfort is due to the heart not getting enough oxygen-rich blood. It can sometimes be mistaken for heartburn or indigestion, so it's essential to take note of this sensation, especially if it occurs during physical activity. The next warning sign is shortness of breath. This can occur when the heart isn't pumping blood as efficiently as it should be. It might feel like you're gasping for air or unable to catch your breath, even when you're not exerting yourself. Pay attention if you notice this symptom, particularly if it happens when you're at rest or if it wakes you up at night. Cold sweat is another warning sign. Breaking out in a cold sweat for no apparent reason could be your body's response to a struggling heart. This isn't your typical sweat from exercise or heat. It's more sudden and intense. If you find yourself in a cold sweat, along with any of the other symptoms we've talked about, it's time to seek medical attention. Fatigue is a more subtle sign. We all feel tired from time to time, but unexplained. Excessive fatigue could be a sign that your heart isn't working as well as it should be. If you're suddenly finding it hard to complete tasks that were once easy, or if you're feeling overwhelmingly tired for no apparent reason, don't ignore it. Dizziness can also indicate heart disease. It can be a sign that your heart isn't pumping enough blood to if you're feeling lightheaded or unsteady. Especially in conjunction with any of the other symptoms, it's important to get it checked out. Nausea is another warning sign. Feeling sick to your stomach or experiencing vomiting can be symptoms of heart disease. This is because the heart is struggling to pump blood, affecting other bodily systems, including the digestive system. Irregular heartbeat or arrhythmia can be a sign of heart disease too. Your heart might beat too fast, too slow, or with an irregular rhythm. While it's normal for your heart to race when you're nervous or excited, or to slow down when you're at rest, a consistently irregular heartbeat warrants a visit to your doctor. Swelling in the legs, ankles, and feet can indicate heart disease. This is because when your heart isn't pumping blood efficiently, fluid can accumulate in these areas. If you notice unexplained swelling, it's worth getting it checked out. Unexplained weight gain is another sign. When your heart isn't functioning properly, fluid can build up in the body, leading to sudden weight gain. If you find that your weight is fluctuating without changes to your diet or activity level, it might be a sign of heart disease. Finally, loss of appetite can be a warning sign. This often goes hand in hand with feeling nauseated. If you're feeling full or sick to your stomach, especially if you're also experiencing some of the other symptoms we've discussed, it might be a sign of heart disease. Knowing these signs can be your best defense against heart disease. You now know the warning signs, but why are they important? Well, imagine you're driving a car. If a warning light flickers on your dashboard, you don't ignore it. Do you? You take note and get your car checked out? The same applies to your body. These warning signs are your body's way of telling you, hey, something isn't right. We need to check this out. Recognizing these signs early is crucial. Heart disease is a silent killer, often progressing quietly until it's too late. But when you're aware of the warning signs, you're giving yourself a fighting chance. You're becoming proactive in your health journey, putting yourself in the driver's seat. The importance of these warning signs lies in their role in prevention. Prevention is always better than cure, and in the case of heart disease, it could be life-saving. When you notice these signs and take action, you're preventing the disease from progressing. You're halting it in its tracks, giving your body the opportunity to heal and recover. Early detection also opens up the potential for effective treatment. Medical advancements have given us numerous ways to treat heart disease, from medication to lifestyle changes and even surgery. But these treatments are most effective when the disease is caught early. The longer it's left unchecked, the more damage it can cause and the harder it becomes to treat. So these warning signs are more than just red flags. They're the keys to taking control of your health, of ensuring that you're doing everything you can to keep your heart healthy and strong. It's not just about knowing these signs, but understanding them, recognizing them in your own body, and taking action when you see them. It's about being an active participant in your health, not a passive observer. Remember, your health is in your hands. Stay vigilant and take action when necessary. Heart disease is a silent killer, but it doesn't have to be. As we've discovered, there are 10 early warning signs that can alert us to potential heart problems. From unexpected fatigue to irregular heartbeats, these signs aren't just random symptoms, they're crucial indicators of our heart health. It's time we all took our heart health seriously. Recognizing these warning signs and seeking medical attention could be the difference between life and death. Don't ignore the signs. Listen to your heart. It could save your life.